Oh, it's so nice not to be a pumpkin. This gloriousness. No, but just look how many decorations there are. It's heavenly. Are you feeling the wholesomeness and the expensiveness? I'm overwhelmed by the fallness. They're so cute. Oh my god, why didn't we say it at the same time?
I would say.
I think it would be cool to have them on my wall.
How cute it is. So much cuteness.
Stella, since this video is sponsored by Notion and is also about organization, you should show everyone your new Notion setup. Oh, okay, sure, yep. Oh, and by the way, I left you a little message on your homepage, so you might want to check that. Goodbye! So Notion is an excellent organization tool for yourself or for team collaboration, and it's also customizable, so you can tailor Notion to fit your own needs. And something that I really like is the fact that you can use other people's templates, because I'm sure you guys are really busy and it's always great to be able to use other people's templates and just customize them to yourself. And that is exactly what I did for my new setup. I combined 3 different templates into one, and everybody who inspired me / the templates that I used will be linked in my description box. So now I'll show you guys my new updated Notion tour for 2021. So starting off with the fact that it is an autumn theme for the homepage. And so the top cover, what I like about it is you can always reposition it. So I chose Studio Ghibli style art, and when you start at the bottom, it kind of looks like it's summer and it's very green, and then you can go up and up as the month gradually progresses, and as we get closer and closer to October, November, and the autumn leaves start appearing. And I'm going to gradually change the cover photo depending on how the leaves are in my area. So I just thought it was a really cool idea. So now it's on to my life, Stella's life. That's the message from the Productivity Fairy. Okay, moving on. So I just have this clock to show the time. I also have this little widget. You can also, I'll link in the description box the websites that I use to set up all these widgets. And so this is now the main, I guess you can say, is my life. And then there's the sub-hubs of academics and the studio. And you can see here I have the whole week basically listed of to-do lists. And if you watch my previous video, you'll know that I only have 3 things that I have to do in a day. Otherwise, I'll start getting really overwhelmed, and then maybe maximum 1 extra thing for the day if I think that it's realistic that I'll finish my 3 to-do things. So I just have right on the homepage everything that I need to do for the week, because honestly, that's the most important thing that I use. So then on to my life. So in here, again, this is from a template. I did not design any of this. All credit goes to everyone who contributed to the templates and they'll be in the description. The 2 links here are academics, is my university life, and then the studio, which is everything related to YouTube and social media and all that wonderful stuff. And as you can see here, I pretty much don't have anything in my life other than the links to the other 2 pages. So now on to academics, which here is just a major audit, which is all the classes that I have left and the degree requirements to graduate. I'm not going to click into it because it has all the specific names of my university and all the classes, and it'll be very easy to figure out where I go. And so then all classes is just all my previous classes. And so then extracurriculars, you know, research clubs, all that kind of stuff. So then current classes are the current classes I'm taking this semester. So I'm taking 3. I just have them listed. And when you click on them, I haven't yet started doing this, but I'm going to put in all of the files from my good notes and just screenshots of my handwritten notes, and then my master to-do list, which was also from a template, and it's just the master to-do list for the upcoming week of the assignments that I have to do. And so last but not least is the studio part of my Notion setup, which is also again from a template. And yeah, so that's all I have for my Notion setup. It's pretty straightforward. I again had just the bare minimum of things that I have to know and remember in my life, and all the other things like for family, that goes in my bullet journal, you know, birthday gifts, traveling, stuff like that, that's in my bullet journal. And then just finances and passwords, they're just all in a notebook. And again, if you guys want to check out Notion, be sure to click the link in my description box or in my pinned comment and try out Notion because it is amazing for organizing your life. Wait. Right now you don't understand what I'm trying to ask you to do. I know. I look crazy.
It's stuck in my head. You just have to be very patient and calm. Just go 1 here, by the way, okay?